Oh, hello. You wanted to see the 5 things that I love about the Haylou GT2s? Well, here we go. I'll tell you the first one right off the bat. I think they're a pretty good value at under 20 bucks. Really small form factor and decent sound. They make a compelling purchase. Now, the second thing I really like about the Haylou GT2 is the overall size of the earbud. It's super small, it fits in your ears, and more importantly than anything else, it's really lightweight. So when you put them in your ears, if you're jogging, walking, at the gym, they don't necessarily feel like they're gonna fall out. If you whip your head around like you're jumping rope, there's not gonna be that much inertia for them to pull themselves out of your ears. Now, if you guys are looking to buy these, I'm gonna have links to where I can find them in the description down below. If you wanna read about these, go ahead and check out my website. I will be updating my website with some content about this. If you guys wanna have some other questions, go ahead and @ me on Twitter. And then let's go to the third thing I love about these headphones, and that is the battery life. Now today, I use the Haylou GT2s for well over 2.5 hours, mostly listening to podcasts at about a medium volume. And even after 2.5 hours, and I'll share the screenshot here, I still had apparently 50% left on the earbuds themselves. So we might get slightly better battery life than originally advertised with them, which for a headphone this small is a welcomed addition. Now the fourth thing I like is the case of the Haylou GT2s. Now the case of the Haylou GT1s broke on me within the first day. I have some better feelings at least about the case of the Haylou GT2s. I like the included charging cable for it. It makes it really easy for me to kind of just plug them into my USB hub that's disgusting on my computer and let them charge up that way. Because it's a small battery, they charge pretty quick usually. And also, because they have the attached cable, that really gives me a lot more confidence to the durability of inserting that cable in and out, as opposed to the design on the original ones, which puts more stress on the circuit board when you go to pull the micro USB cable in and out. I broke a pair of AirDots that way. Now the fifth and final thing I love about the Haylou GT2s is the button controls. Now I commented when I got the Haylou GT1s that I did not like the touch controls because they were so small. The area that you had to activate the touch sensitivity on the headphones was incredibly small, and depending upon how they fit in your ear, you could find yourself kind of digging in your ear for that touch panel. With the button on the Haylou GT2s, the fact that they're so small really doesn't make them any more difficult to use. The button is easily pressable, so you're not jamming them further into your ears. There's a little outline about where you actually can press in on the button, and overall it makes controlling them really easy. And as I mentioned, you're going to be using those button controls a lot because these headphones at under $20 have full controls except volume, which is really acceptable in my opinion, because if you have your phone in your pocket, normally you can feel the outline of the volume button. I don't end up taking my phone out of my pockets to necessarily adjust the volume, but I understand that for some people that might be an issue. If you guys want to see more videos about the Haylou GT2s, go ahead and subscribe with notifications to this website. If you guys want to see videos about other headphones I really like, I will leave 2 links to videos right here. Until next time, it's been Mitchell coming to you from Hanoi. Tom Biet. Bye.